I'm going to show you how to install a repeater app on the Librem 5. Use a default passcode 123456. And not many apps come by default, and I couldn't find a mapping app that would install on here. Anyway, go to here, ham.live. There we go. There's RepeaterSTART, the repeater listing app for Linux and Librem and Linux devices. Huh. That's strange that it's saying that I cannot. Let's try download anyway. Open it. There was an error updating earlier. There it is, RepeaterSTART. Install it. And the default code is the same as the default passcode. So there's RepeaterSTART. It shows up there. And there it is. Now, let's say you want to see in the two finger doesn't work in on that library. That's strange. There it is. But the plus and minus works, and there it is. If you want to see, I don't know, Eastern Oregon, Idaho, there they are. And this is cached so that you can see your repeaters online or offline.